Hey everybody, this is Arbitrary City Guns and Ammo. Today we've got an old ass Glock 17 and some cheap ass Korean extended magazines. Stick around. Alright, so I got these really cheap RWB Korean made mags through Classic Firearms. They were on sale. It was like a Black Friday sale. They were like $10.95 a piece for 33 round extended Glock 17 magazine. So everybody says they're crap, but for $10.95 it's not too bad, so decided we'd find out. Let's see. So far, so good. Didn't have any issues there. That was all 124 grain full metal jacket. Now I've got some 124 grain cast lead powder coated. See if they run any different. That time it tried to put two in at the same time. Huh. Alright, the first mag ran flawless. Second mag we had a couple little hiccups. These are brand new mags, so I'm not really sure what the issue was. But we'll just keep running them and see what happens. Oh, look right there. That was a failure to eject. Maybe had to do with the mag. Maybe not. Let's see. Just had the exact same thing happen here. Again, it's failure to extract and empty. Same thing again. You know that one there? Got a round that's pointed down in the magazine. We're to start to pull it. All right. And empty. Starting to have some weird little issues. Maybe $10.95 is a little less than you should pay for a Glock magazine. Maybe there's a reason the factory Glock 33 rounders are 40 bucks. But hey, it's fun finding out. Let's go to the 40 or the 60 yard silhouette there. Same thing again. Failure to extract and empty. It almost seems like it's getting hung up on the magazine, and that's not something this gun has ever had a problem with. Alright, let's go back over here. Another failure right there. Same thing again. Empty. And a live one. All kind of jammed in there together. Oh, that was my last round. Alright, one last one. And I missed it. Great. You know what? I'm not even going to continue on with the video. I'm having nothing but failures with it. Don't spend $10.95 on a 33 round Glock magazine because it's a waste of your money. You're halfway to a Glock 33 rounder, which is going to serve you much better than these. I might fool around with some more eventually, but for now they don't seem worth my time. So these are going to get chucked to the back of the safe, or chucked in the river, or chucked somewhere else. But for it's a Glock 17. They just run. I've run nothing but factory mags in this since I've had it, and I've never had an issue, and I'm just having nothing but issues. So 5 mags with it I think is a fair shot, and I'm done with them. Thanks for watching. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe, go down and hit the subscribe button below. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.